What's up, TikTok parents? I've got photos of the new 2024 KTM 50SX and 65SX to show you today. We knew this announcement was coming soon. I didn't realize it was coming this soon. In this video, I'm just going to show you photos of both bikes for now, and in videos after this one, we'll go on and talk about details of each bike, so make sure you follow. 2024 KTM 50SX, guys. It's crazy to me how much these look like the big bike. KTM is one of the only manufacturers that their mini bikes don't have a drastically different look. It's just kind of all scaled down from a big bike. One of my personal favorites, the factory edition. Got the FMF, got the Henson clutch cover, the head pipe, the graphics, the seat cover, all the cool pizzazz, the soft grip. And here's the 2024 65 giveaway by that clutch slave cylinder right there on the outer cover. A whole list of differences to these bikes for 2024, guys, and that's what I'm going to go over in the next video.